If you're a homeowner in the Pacific Northwest, fall isn't just about pumpkin spice and cozy sweaters. It's your final chance to get ahead of the costly winter repairs. Every year, I get calls from homeowners who waited too long to prep their homes. By the time they notice a roof leak or a frozen pipe, they're already dealing with damage insurance claims. That's why I always say fall is prevention season. Today, I'll walk you through the top home maintenance tips specific to the Pacific Northwest that will protect your home and your wallet this winter. Number 1, clean your gutters and check your drainage. Leaves and debris build up fast in our area, and if gutters are clogged, you could be facing overflow, ice dams, or even foundation issues. I recommend cleaning them out and checking your downspouts, then making sure you're directing water away from your home. Number 2, schedule a furnace tune-up. Fall in the Pacific Northwest can go from mild to freezing overnight. Before that first cold snap hits, schedule a furnace inspection. A tune-up ensures your home system runs efficiently, keeps energy bills lower, and helps avoid costly breakdowns midwinter. Number 3, seal up drafts. Small gaps around windows and doors can lead to big heating losses. Use weather stripping, caulk to seal those leaks. It's a small fix that'll make your home cozier and reduce your energy bills. Bonus tip, check your attic insulation while you're at it. Number 4, trim those trees and inspect your roof. In the Pacific Northwest, heavy rain and early snow can bring down weakened branches. Trim overhanging limbs to protect your roof, gutters, and vehicles. While you're at it, inspect your roof for missing shingles or signs of wear and tear. Fall is the best time for repairs before winter sets in. Number 5, protect your outdoor faucets and hoses. Frozen pipes are a real risk here. Drain and disconnect garden hoses, shut off exterior faucets, and use faucet covers to prevent burst pipes and water damage. A little effort now can prevent major expenses later. If you need a local referral for roofers, HVAC pros, gutter repair, gutter cleaners, I've got a trusted list ready for you. Just give me a call, shoot me a text. I'm here when you need me.